Have you noticed that your shower head has been in need of a good cleaning recently? This is usually caused by hard water. Hard water will leave your shower head clogged with minerals that can affect your water pressure. Not only does it look dirty and unappealing, but it can cause water to shoot in different directions like you can see happening here. Luckily, this is an easy fix. All you need is white vinegar, water, and a plastic bag. Pour 1 part water and 1 part vinegar into a plastic sandwich bag. After you do this, attach the bag to your shower head. Make sure you tie it on high enough that the shower head is completely submerged in the solution. You can use a rubber band, zip tie, or a string to secure it to the shower arm. Let this soak for 30 minutes. After you have allowed it to soak, remove the bag. Be careful not to spill the solution because we will be using it for the next step. Now, grab an old toothbrush or something similar and dip it in the solution. Use the brush to scrape away any minerals that are left on the shower head. After allowing it to soak, it's much easier to brush it away with the toothbrush. Give it a good thorough cleaning, but make sure that you are still being gentle. After you cannot spot any gunk left over, turn your shower on hot. It's important to let it run on hot for a few minutes to completely remove any minerals that are still stuck inside the shower head. You can see how much better the shower head looks and how the water is no longer going in different directions. And that's how you can easily and efficiently clean your shower head.